Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS button shutter effect. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS button shutter effect. Inside the body we want to add a div, and inside this we want to add span, and copy this span and paste it 3 times. And we want to type button. Save the file, refresh, the button is visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is okay. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center and height 100 VH, width 100%, and we want a background color that was hash 262626 FF. Save the file, refresh, the background color is okay. Let's start to style our div. Display flex, justify content center and align item center. Position is relative and height 100 pixel, width 300 pixel, and we want that font size 50 pixel, font weight bold and font family cursive, and we want that data spacing 2 pixel, color white, and box shadow was 1 pixel 60 pixel, and color is black, and we want that cursor that was pointer and overflow will be hidden. Save the file, refresh, the button's layout is okay now. Let's start to style our span. Inside this, display block and position is absolute, and we want that height 10 pixel, width 10 pixel, and z index is -1. Let's create div hover. Inside this, transition property box shadow and transition delay is 1 second, box shadow 1 pixel 60 pixel, and color is orange. Save the file, refresh, the hover effect is working. Let's create div hover span. Inside this we want add an animation anim and 1 second linear forwards, and let's create span nth child 1. Inside this, top 0 and left 0. Copy this line and paste it 3 times, and this is 2. This one is right, and this is 3, and we want to change this bottom, and this is right, and we want to change this 4, and this is bottom. Let's create our animation. Keyframes and animation name anim. Inside this, 100%, height 100%, and we want that width 100%, and background color that was orange. Save the file, refresh, the shutter effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.